year, they're still buying Teslas. Oh, yeah, by an overwhelming number of vehicles that are out there. 60% of the EVs that were sold in the first half of this year, according to Motor Intelligence, were Teslas. By the way, most of them are Model Y or Model 3. In fact, over half of the EV sales in the first half of this year were Model 3 or Model Y, about 56%. In the first half, Tesla increased its sales by 29.7%. So you're looking at a company right now that continues to grow. Its gap between them and the next closest is more than 300,000 vehicles. So as you take a look at
when it comes to investing in Tesla, it's crucial to have a clear understanding of the potential risks involved. Tesla operates in a rapidly evolving industry, and with innovation comes uncertainty. In this video, we'll discuss key factors that can impact Tesla's stock performance, as we believe this knowledge will help you evaluate the risks and rewards of investing in this dynamic company. We will also take a closer look at the possible ways in which recent economic events can affect Tesla expected earnings for the second quarter of 2023. So, grab a snack and let's get started on our journey to master the art of Tesla investing.
How did the numbers look? Because they were past Wall Street estimates.
Yeah, they were, and Wall Street had some pretty healthy estimates itself. These were released Sunday morning in the US, just over 466,000 cars for the second quarter, and that was a beat of 18,000 vehicles and an 83% rise on the year as well. So a pretty strong set of sales numbers. Doesn't break out, of course, Tesla sales by model type, but it is known that the Model 3 and the Model Y accounting for the vast bulk of the sales here. There's other good news as well. Tesla's had a problem with its inventory buildup. First quarter, it produced 18,000 more cars than it delivered. That's pulled back a little bit as well to 13,500. But in terms of the rest of the year, it's really going to have to pick up the pace to meet its target of 1.8 to 2 million cars. Been a good year. Shares have almost doubled year to date. Very encouraging numbers ahead of Tesla earnings. But a lot of analysts are predicting with competition picking up, might have to see some more discounting from Tesla in the months.
First and foremost, Tesla's stock price can be highly volatile. It's no secret that Tesla stock has experienced significant ups and downs over the years. And while this volatility can provide opportunities for substantial gains, it also poses risks for those with a short-term investment horizon. Since the stock is highly volatile, market numbers such as delivery and earnings tend to have a significant effect on the stock price. And so recent economic events and market outcomes that may have significant effect on earnings are factors to be taken with all seriousness. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow. While Tesla makes a lot of money from cars, the company also gets its revenues from various streams. Although the vast majority come from sales of its vehicles and occupying features like full self-driving upgrades, Tesla got around 17.5% of its 2022 revenues from other sources. Revenues jumped 52% from 2021 to 2022, and Tesla attributed this to increased production of the Model Y at its Shanghai and Fremont factories, as well as the start of the vehicle's production at its Gigafactories in Berlin and Texas, coupled with a higher average selling price. Tesla made $67.2 billion from what it classified as automotive sales in 2022, which included sales of its Model S, Model X, Semi, Model 3, and Model Y vehicles, as well as access to its FSD features, internet connectivity, and over-the-air software updates. But that's just a little fraction of what Tesla has achieved in terms of revenue. So imagine the potential rise in Tesla's stock price when the company releases its earnings for the second quarter of this year. Join us as we evaluate one of the top stocks in the market, a stock that has captured the attention of both seasoned investors and those just starting their investment journey. But before we start, if you like this type of content, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay up to date on everything happening with Tesla. Truly, Tesla could find itself impacted by economic events over the coming months, sparking another round of price cuts that would once again eat into its profit margins. But let's take a critical look at this before jumping into a conclusion. First, let's consider a few factors that could affect Tesla's earnings, and if all things were to go south. A major one is price cuts. Since Tesla reduced the prices for its cars earlier this month, we could expect a slight decline in revenue, no doubt. But it's not really as bad as the bear paints it. I mean, Tesla is fully aware of the consequences of a massive drop in revenue, so we believe precautionary measures are being taken. Let us know what you think about Tesla's price cuts. Do you think it was actually a genius move? Do share your thoughts with us in the comments section. We'd love to know what you think. There are also concerns about the growing competition. As the electric vehicle market continues to grow, more players are entering the space. Traditional automakers and tech giants are investing heavily in electric vehicles, and this may probably impact Tesla's market share. Therefore, evaluating Tesla's competitive position and its ability to stay ahead in this ever-changing landscape is rather crucial, especially if you're a Tesla investor. Regulatory challenges are also a critical consideration. The EV industry is subject to various regulations and policies that can affect Tesla's operations. For instance, changes in government incentives or regulations can have a significant impact on the demand for electric vehicles and ultimately on Tesla's financial performance. Additionally, Tesla's ability to scale its production and meet demand is also worth analyzing, although so far the results have been very impressive. As the demand for electric vehicles continues to rise, Tesla must ensure it can deliver on its ambitious production targets, as any delays or production bottlenecks could impact the company's financials and investor sentiment. These are probably the major factors that investors worry about. However, on the other side of the equation, which the bears don't like to admit, are the potential rewards of investing in Tesla. Tesla has established itself as a leader in the electric vehicle market with a strong brand and a loyal customer base. Its innovative products such as the Model S, Model 3, Model X, and Model Y have garnered widespread popularity globally. Likewise, Tesla's energy business, including its solar energy systems and energy storage products, presents additional growth opportunities. As the world shifts towards renewable energy, Tesla's expertise and products in the energy sector position the company for long-term success. Let's not also forget its visionary CEO, Elon Musk, who has taken the company to unprecedented heights. Musk has a track record of disrupting industries and driving innovation. His ambitious vision for the future, including autonomous driving technology and the development of a full self-driving fleet, adds an extra layer of potential upside to Tesla's investment thesis. So if you're not investing in Tesla stock, you may be missing out on a huge investment opportunity. Think about earnings from regulatory credits alone. This business brought in $1.8 billion in revenues in 2022. Tesla earns tradable credits under regulations related to zero-emission vehicles, greenhouse gases, fuel economy, and clean fuel. The company made $5.2 billion in 2022 from automotive leasing revenues, including direct operating lease agreements in the US, Canada, and Europe. Tesla's revenues from this stream increased 51% from 2021 to 2022. Without any doubt, when it comes to making money, Tesla sure knows its way. However, as always, to evaluate the risks and rewards of investing in Tesla, it is important to conduct thorough research, analyze the company's financials, and motor industry trends. By staying informed and maintaining a long-term investment perspective, investors like you can be better positioned to make informed decisions. What are your thoughts on Tesla? Let us know in the comments section. And don't forget to tell us what your valuation for Tesla is. If you would like to know what Tesla has been up to these past few days, go ahead and click on the next video on your screen. See you there.